selling. You know what I mean?
What are y'all trying to sell me?
Yeah, they're gonna be selling something, especially if the event's free.
Yeah, right. Welcome back, everybody. We are your hosts tonight, Redbeard and Gino.
Forgot to fix my hair.
It's alright. I started it.
Cheers, everybody. There's a squirrel that's gonna die if I can find him.
Where is it?
Oh, look, he's steadily dropping shit on the
Oh, is he?
on the thing when I was out there a minute ago, and finally I found him up there. He froze, and then he moved again, and I hit this. He scattered down the tree a little ways, but he went back at it. I don't hear it right now.
Yeah, I figure over there it'll probably be good. We got the light coming.
I think it's a good spot.
Yeah.
Some turkey?
Gotta go pick up my turkey juice.
I like it glass. I like this.
I do too.
I like the size of it.
Yeah.
Especially without if you're a neat drinker.
And it's
Perfect. You know what I mean?
thick and durable. I mean,
Yeah.
you could use that as a weapon. I mean, you could probably knock somebody out with it.
Oh yeah. Got that choker in the hand like this. Wow. Bonnie, what are you doing? Why are you looking scared? Huh? I have anxiety, T-bone anxiety. There he is.
So we're out. We got the coals hot. But we got some T-bones and some sausage.
Some opus.
Coals are getting hot.
Yep.
Figured Gino's going out of town for a few days, so back to the oil field.
Swing an old hammer.
This is what we do. The flies are starting up.
No.
Oh well.
Yeah.
Every time we get out here and cook, the flies start to become ravenous. Especially if I bring the meat out too early.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
Get off it. Get off
What we got about the damn fly? Set it on the bathroom counter? You set it on the bathroom counter?
it. Yeah. That'll work. Get on.
Get on out here.
Go. Get on here. That's what my grandfather used to say. Get on here. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing, Bonnie? Huh? Why are you looking so cowerish? Is that a word? I just made up a word. Cowerish?
Cowerish.
Yeah. That's like what she's acting like right now.
I mean, it's just odd.
What's wrong with you? Did you step in poop?
'Cause I've never seen you whooped.
Oh, she's been whooped before.
I've seen her get lined out a couple times. Nothing to be cowerish about. Bonnie, climb that tree and get that somebody.
Oh, I got a runner.
Uh-oh.
The East Texas Bourbon Society, they've been having like impromptu meetings at Leon's on Thursday nights.
Yeah.
And like they were doing it from 4 to 6, so there's no way in hell I could have made it. But I'm like thinking to myself, and you're like, you know what? Once it starts to cool off, y'all just need to come over to the casa.
Yeah.
We'll freaking utilize Mr. Fire Pit there.
Yeah, you can set up a little stage in the area back there.
I mean, get a bench. Got my set rocks. I mean, those are good for holding things and butts.
Yeah. The one looks like it's extremely good for holding butts.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Not looking forward to going back Sunday, but I needs to go.
Yeah.
Needs to go.
Oh, it's getting hot. Ooh. Man, it's fine. Try to get them on here pretty quick, I guess. Oh yeah, this was burning all kinds of funky. So Gene, what did you think about the arm wrestling practice the other day?
I enjoyed it. It was informative.
Eye-opening?
Yes, eye-opening. My elbows, ligaments, tendons, all that, still remember it.
Still, yeah. Still.
They're still talking to me. It was yeah, didn't come close to winning. But I mean, it was fun. I had a good time. Yeah. It's something I think after that time, that man, if we could do that, even if it was just you and I,
Like twice a month, or well, that hard twice a month right now.
yeah.
That's
I think we'd be able to get to once a week pretty quick. Pretty quick, like really, and not. I mean, I really only hit one time.
I don't think I hit really at all.
And that's with Matt, and got that little pop in my elbow, so I didn't want to hit after that really.
Yeah.
But every other pool was just to start
All
going
out.
and just
All
yeah.
out, 100%.
I mean, my sternum was sore, if you believe that. I didn't know your sternum could get sore, but it can.
Dude, we're getting, Rick, Jesus Christ, get out of my beard. Not Jesus Christ, but
He's everywhere.
he's everywhere. Rick, he gave me a little taste of what he can do on the table. And I was like, ow, god dang. I was like, damn you old bastard. Don't rip my arm off just yet.
Yeah, no, it's a good group of guys. Laid back. Like sharing their knowledge.
That's what I like.
Not trying to prove anything or make you look bad, you know, just enjoy the sport. Like they really enjoyed the sport.
Sport, the camaraderie, and all that good stuff. Alright. Oh, Bonnie. No. Fine. Goober. Alright. So, my coals are pretty hot. I'm thinking I'm only going to leave them on for like maybe 2 minutes. Come on. Maybe a minute and a half, we'll see.
What do we do?
Man, I don't ever remember.
Damn, Kelly.
I know it was about 8 minutes. I usually go by how hot the coals are because it's different every time I do it.
Yeah. It's kind of hard to judge too and get an exact science on it, I reckon.
Well, there's science too. But I'm gonna let it sit for 2 minutes. They're still like you just picked those up. Well, they're still pretty cold. The tray itself is cold whenever I grabbed it.
See?
So it's still pretty cold. So we're gonna let them sit indirect for I'm gonna think at least 8 minutes. So we'll go 2 minutes, letting it sear like that. Flip it, see how they look, and then determine on how long we need to let them sit.
All right.
Because the coals.
I want to go 7.
7 what?
Siete.
On your indirect?
Yeah.
Think so?
Yeah, I want to go 8.
What if 8's the right temperature? We'll check it at 7. We'll check it at 6 and a half.
It always seems like go over 7. It's a little more done than what I like it to be. I could be
Depends
wrong.
on how thick it is. So those are you might be right. You might be.
I'm thinking between 6 and 7.
You might be right on that. See how this one looks. Yeah, we'll let them go. I'm going to say 2 more each side, and then we'll let them sit for 6 indirect, because these are only about 1 inch thick. About 1 inch thick, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, this is Thursday night at Kelly's, normal Thursday night.
Yep. Steak and sausage, S&S.
About 3 times a day. I don't know if y'all heard that. That freaking dog across the street, over yonder, howls or yelps like it's being raped.
Yeah. You can tell if it was enjoying it or not.
Man, one thing I started doing a lot, because I've been having that issue with the outside of this elbow, is grabbing like a sledgehammer. There's one.
Shit, that's what I meant to get at Walmart. I meant to buy a sledgehammer. Man, yeah, I gotta.
So, grab it down here
Yeah.
and do this for that top roll.
Yeah.
And this agitates the shit out of that spot. Like it's just blown up right now.
I wonder, that may be what I need to do somehow.
Like a sledgehammer, dude? Like pronation?
I wonder if I could.
You can do pronation with it? You can do supination
Oh,
with
yeah,
it?
you can go this
Top
way.
roll?
You can go
Chopping?
that way. You can turn it this way.
Yeah.
That way. You can go this way. Now I need to get a hammer with a new handle. I need to put some marks on it down here on the handle.
Yeah.
A lot of people, they like to put tape around the handles, and man, it just, your hands get wet or whatever.
Yeah, I don't
Gloves
like
get
tape.
wet.
I don't like tape.
Man, you gotta, especially when you're in a position trying to hammer up a union, and you got 7 people standing around, and you don't want to let it go, hit nobody. So you gotta squeeze it extra tight. And all I do is take a skill saw and kick it all the way to whatever angle that is.
Yeah.
45. Kick it all the way, just get it where it'll score the wood about like that.
Yeah.
And just run it.
Oh, just for grip?
Just for grip.
Yeah.
Yeah. I need to get a hammer. I broke my last one. But I was just thinking that, I told you I had that little barbell that, which I noticed you had some of those up at the gym.
Oh, the loadable?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm also starting to think maybe I need to get
You can do that.
some kind of apparatus to make the handle bigger.
Well,
A little bigger than what that. That's only a 1-inch bar, I think.
well, I think for that purpose, it depends on what you're trying to work. Like if you're just trying to work wrist strength,
Well,
I think the size of the handle, like you could do it because, I mean, honestly, like when you grip up, now let go of my hand and slide out.
Yeah.
Like that's pretty much what you need.
Yeah.
And you could do it a little bit bigger, but I think if it's just wrist strengthening, I think the size, and this is just me thinking out loud, the size of the handle is less important. Now you could use a bigger handle if you wanted to incorporate the grip.
Well, I want to incorporate the grip because I think it's somewhat advantageous because I like to do high reps with it.
Yeah.
I don't like to put a lot of weight on it.
Yeah.
So, but after about 30 reps with the right weight, the grip starts, you know what I mean? You gotta start having to squeeze a little tighter, so if you got it a little bit bigger, it'll work that range of the muscle maybe a little better. Brewski.
So this doesn't count towards the indirect time. It does a little bit, but not much at all, because I haven't covered it.
All right. Y'all say.
My plan is to put it on at 8 minutes. So we got 8 minutes. Eight minutes, 6 minutes indirect. Looking at 14. Looking at 14 minutes in. So
I had to get the opens too.
they're delicious. I've told everybody about those. Oh yeah, don't forget this way. I like using the thumb like this. Working on that chop.
Oh yeah. You can do it that way, or you can
So like,
set it like this, and
yeah.
either way.
Like that doesn't hurt, but the freaking top roll, the rising, fucking kills, man. Kills the outside of that elbow. On me it does, only because of that issue that I've been dealing with.
Yeah.
But I'd like to get to where I can hold it like right here.
Oh yeah.
That's my goal. Even with it, because I think even like it being painful, as long as I keep doing it, it's going to get used to it.
Yeah.
So I'll be able to do more.
You know, I think that's an often exercise. It needs to be done quite often, every other day.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's like 20, 30 reps.
Yeah.
I've been doing 15s. I'm going to have to step up my game.
I think that's something you can get away with every other day.
I think so. I think what I'm going to do...
The thing is, I mean, that's a 30-minute workout. So, I mean, you go this way, and then this way,
I'm thinking...
this way.
Yeah, but you could, if you did it, if you were just walk by the hammer, like if you're on the job site or whatever, and you just walk by the hammer, like you're on the job site, you walk by the hammer, and fucking hit like 30 real quick, put it down, come back later, grab the other hand, hit 30, and like you could literally do it probably 300 fucking times in one day, and that's just going to help build that conditioning.
That's right. I'm definitely going to incorporate that somehow, some way.
All right, I'm gonna pause real quick. I'm gonna go grab some plates. We'll be back.
Pause.
Stay tuned. And we're back. Yeah, this one, actually, I think if you found another handle like this, where it's thicker at the end, and like get the magnets like he said.
Oh,
But I like the easiest way to progress on this one.
yeah.
Since the book can slide up a little bit.
I do believe you just go down there and make you 1/2 inch marks.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Where you put the.
Yeah, we got another minute till it's 6. We didn't pause for very long.
Not long.
Yeah. So you actually might have more strength in this manner than I do. I would bet that you do. But don't dally, because I'm coming.
Don't. I like it. I like that. Woo! Them some competition words right there, boy. Like, come on. Let's go.
Yeah, right.
A little bit.
What are you doing, Bonnie?
Yeah.
Alright. 14 minutes. Oh man, you might be right on that one. You might be right on the money. It's a little, it's taut. Yeah. Oh yeah. We probably could have went 5. Why you said something?
What do you do?
I'll just clear out space
Make that room.
for the dinner table.
Gotta let them rest.
Now
Gotta let them have their beauty sleep.
they're pretty close, man. Might actually be a little over. We probably could have done 5 minutes for the thickness, but I was thinking since they were so cold, it's probably gonna take longer.
Well, I'm gonna remember
If it's right out the freezer,
when I stop and buy steaks and bring them over.
if it's 1 inch
If
thick,
it's a 1-inch T-bone,
5 minutes indirect. Now it all depends
What
on
was
how
the-
hot the coals are.
but what was the searing temperature?
Temperature? I have no idea.
I mean, not temperature.
2 minutes.
Time.
We did 2 minutes on each side. But that was on a really hot coal. So if you do it like right when the coals get to their peak on the heat,
Well,
and I always try to judge by what they look like after I've seared them.
yeah,
So if they don't have like a good char to it,
that's gonna change. So
Yeah, it's
depending on
gonna
how hot
change.
the coals are.
so if the coals are really hot and they char the shit out of it, then you're probably gonna have less time because the temperature's hotter.
Yeah.
So that's why I was going towards 8 because I hadn't cooked with normal charcoal in a while. But
I miss the wood grain too. They're probably more expensive though, aren't they?
a little bit, but not a whole lot. I'm gonna do this. Do this right here. This right here. There we go. I bought that spool for $50.
Get it. I saw some the other day, like 4 or 5.
Spool?
They've been sitting there. They've been sitting there for a while. I can't remember the name of the road downtown. So, I mean, it's like
They make great tables.
I want to say this size.
Really?
At least 2 or 3 of them were. Yeah, I think they had a couple that were a little smaller, but
I spent 3 minutes. I don't know how long you want to wait. They're probably still hot as fuck. Don't bite into those others. I think that's the smaller one. Yeah.
I'm gonna cut it to a little early because we good on time. And we're going to get in there. Let it rest of the time get in there. Yeah.
I How's it look?
Yeah, we got it all in time.
Just in time? That works. You good with that? How's it look? Good. We got T-bones today.
Nice and pink in the middle.
Well, we always like it pink in the middle. As long as it's pink in the middle.
Tasty, juicy, the right seasoning.
Set that cigar down for a minute. Ran out of my coarse sea salt.
I don't know what that means. Of course, sea salt. Okay.
Yeah. So like, man, these fuckers are just eating in front. Yeah, I got mine on the ends a little well.
Out on the edges.
Yeah. So coals are a little hot.
Nice. Damn, the doctor told me I was fat.
What the? Was he fat?
No. It was she, but no.
What do you mean you're fat? Man, we could have done 4 minutes, dude. Them coals were hot. So remember that.
I don't. What? There's got to be a way. There's got to be some kind of gauge. I think if you want to perfect your perfection.
Well, if she called you fat, I definitely don't want to go to her. Like, you're a fat ass.
She's just talking about BMI was.
Oh, fuck a BMI, dude.
I know. I kind of thought that it was over.
That whole BMI thing's bullshit.
Even though I'm not. I think it. Here's what I think about BMI. I think it was designed for people that don't work out.
Yeah. No, I totally get it. It's designed for people who don't have a lot of muscle mass. Because, man, I just watched a video the other day with that crazy motherfucker with the wild hair, does the backflips and shit. Juji Mufu?
Juji, not Juju.
Juji and Tom. Watched the video with Juji and Tom the other day, and they checked their BMI. And he stood next to a guy that he weighed 225, and the guy weighed like 235, 240. You watch that video? And their BMI was almost identical. And I'm like, dude, screw BMI. I haven't been on there too long, Gene. Sorry.
I mean, almost. I mean, longer than I like. Yeah. But
yeah, about a minute too long.
You didn't leave it on there so long where.
About a minute.
You didn't leave it on there so long where.
Well, I'm glad you said 6.
It's still juicy. It's still juicy up in here by the old bone.
Cause at 8, man, that sucker would have been done well. Hey, whatever.
Why are you flopping back and forth from wood chips to...
Well, Brandon bought that shit. I've been trying to do nothing but wood chips. And they don't burn quite as even.
Wood chips?
Yeah, well, because the blocks are misshapen.
Well, yeah, but I mean, what is that? Is that a...
That's going to affect, like, it could be hotter right here if it's thicker, if the wood's thicker or whatever.
Yeah.
Then right here it could have a cold spot. Whereas if you have the uniform charcoal, it might be, the heat might be uniform all the way across.
I can see that. I can see that.
I think that's why I got thrown off on my time. But yeah, right next to the bone.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I mean, it's only like a, if I had to guess, I mean, I would probably say a minute.
Yeah, probably a minute.
Maybe probably got off a minute earlier, but
Probably perfect. Maybe even a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Ooh, Bonnie's got a T-bone coming. Bonnie's got some T-bones coming.
look at it, she's doing that.
I'm gonna have to get this on camera.
I see, now it ain't time yet. It ain't time yet, no ma'am. No ma'am.
Bonnie loves T-bone day.
Bonnie loves T-bone day.
She's like, oh, she could smell it. She's like, oh, y'all got T-bones. I can smell that bone. She's a whore for a bone.
You just did that T-bone up like that. Reminded me of a weapon.
Hey, it
It's
could
like
be.
a law-abiding citizen.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that meat right up next to the bone. It's perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's pretty good. There wasn't a lot of fat on this one.
You know, I looked at that after I put it in the basket. I didn't like the marbling.
Yeah.
It didn't look. I was like, man, Brooks's meat. So.
Yeah, it's Brooks's. Yeah, the cheap meat.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Opus. This stuff is delicious. We'll have to get see if we can get it on camera. Her crying, jumping down on a T-bone. Yeah, but you know what? Another month from now, it's gonna feel great out here.
Oh yeah, right.
Still a little hot. It's not as hot as it has been.
No, but it ain't. I mean, yeah. Supposed to be like some kind of cold front going across the nation, or the
Cold front.
Midwest, or not the Midwest, but just the mid section.
The midsection.
What do you call that?
Midwest. Come here. Oh. Get it, girl. Come on. She already bit off one side. Chew it up before you swallow it. I don't want you choking up in my bed. That's a good dog. Oh yeah. Set y'all back up so y'all can see. Yeah. She's going to town on it.
Love T-bone.
Yeah. There you go. Exerts the calories. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to get mine up to like 30. I've been doing 15, but
Man, well, I was thinking that I would do 30 right now. I would stick to a 30. As soon as I got to 30, I tried to go up.
go up in weight
Well, yeah,
or length of the hammer.
yeah. Just try to stay above 30, because right now my main goal is to build up tendon strength,
Yeah.
ligament. Just
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? Get that arm used to that kind of motion.
Yeah.
I mean, don't get me wrong. I'll still throw a couple sets of heavy shit in there.
What is this? 8 pound? Or
Looks like an 8 pound.
Now I'm sweating. Got the meat sweats.
Woo. Between the opens and that hammer, I imagine.
And the heat still probably
Oh yeah, August.
It's 90 degrees out here.
East Texas.
August in Texas. I mean, hey, my birthday's next week. You gonna be out of town?
I'm gonna be out of town.
Very right.
Damn.
Good stuff.
Right? Hell yeah.
We're gonna pause for a minute, eat this food, and we'll probably be back. Maybe. We'll see.